What is a framework? When I started programming, I thought becoming a developer just meant learning to code. Learn the syntax and you can build anything. So I learned Java, and then I tried to build an actual website, and I had no idea where to even start. I just couldn't build anything real with it. What I was missing was a framework. A framework is an app that's already mostly built. The server, the boring plumbing every website needs, all written. You build the features that make it yours, and the framework runs them. Spring for Java, Next.js for JavaScript, Django for Python, Rails for Ruby. Different languages, same idea. That last part is the strange one. The framework runs your code. Normally it works the other way. You install a library, some code someone else wrote, and you call it when you need it, you're in charge. A framework flips that. It's in charge, and it calls your code when a request shows up. The fancy name is inversion of control. It just means, don't call us, we'll call you. I built this app twice for the video, plain Java first without a framework. I open the socket myself, I parse the request myself, I count the response bytes myself. I write the JSON by hand, and the actual features I wanted? Basically 5 lines.
Oh, hell no! Hell no!
Now the same app in Spring Boot, 24 lines, the same 5 lines of data, 1 method, and 1 annotation on top, a note telling the framework this method answers this URL. I never open a socket, I never parse anything. The framework boots, finds my method, and when a request shows up, it calls it. That's inversion of control in real code, and that's how it actually went for me. One of my first real projects was pretty much this app, a little CRM I built to keep track of customers back when I wanted to start my own business. Java was the hammer and nails, Spring Boot was the instructions to the shed. With the instructions, I could finally build. It took me some time to learn that under the hood, it's basically the same machine. A request comes in, the framework picks which of your functions should handle it and sends back whatever you return. Spring, Next.js, Django, Rails. Same skeleton, different sheds. The difference is what each one is built to excel at. Spring runs serious enterprise backends. 65% of Java developers use it. The JavaScript ones are tuned for shipping fast, which is why my own projects drifted from Spring Boot to Next.js over time. Every language has a handful of frameworks. And then there's JavaScript, where it feels like a new one ships every day. The big ones are genuinely big, though. Nearly half of all developers use React, and Next.js is built on top of it and still climbing. And if you build with an AI tool instead, something like Lovable, Bolt, V0, there's a bunch of them, the tool picks the framework for you. A lot of people are shipping React apps right now without necessarily even knowing they're using it. One way or another, you're running a framework. The catch is that a framework is someone else's building, their folder structure, their rules, their upgrade schedule. The magic that finds your method is great, right up until it breaks somewhere you can't see. And learning a framework is a real skill on top of the language. The job listings are what told me. Every Java web job I looked at asked for Spring. So what is a framework? It's the mostly built app you move into. The language gives you the words, the framework gives you the building. You build the missing features, and it calls them at the right moment. Once you know one, the next one looks familiar. And becoming a developer? That turned out to be learning the language, and then learning where your pieces go. Please like and subscribe for more content.